bringing broadband to everyone. Call now. You're welcome.
All right, it's time once again for Kudlow's Stock Club. Let's welcome back a return member, Derek Iswell, Senior Portfolio Manager at AIM Investments, where he manages the 4-star Morningstar rated AIM Global Equity Fund. That fund is up 3% year to date, edging out the S&P, which is up less than 2%. Derek, you were here 5 months ago, August 29th, 5 months more or less. You gave us 6 stock picks. We're going to put them on the board because you did just great. Your average return was 16.25%. The S&P was 11%. So you were ahead then, and you were ahead for the year. Let's take a look at that. Put them up on the board. HP, Garmin, 3M, there we go, Cummins, General Dynamics, and Eaton. Every one has a green arrow. Let's see, HP up 20%, Eaton up 21%, Cummins up 20%. That was fantastic, Derek. Congratulations, and I thank you on behalf of our viewers and investors. Let us lightning fast go to the next round. You got some new picks for us. Please give us.
All right, very good. The first one is Embark EQ. This is a landline telecom spun off from Sprint about 9 months ago. Market didn't really give this stock much of a chance, didn't have much of an expectation for it, so the valuation has been pretty low. The expectations have improved over the last 9 months, and we think this is going to be a good stock going forward.
All right,
Second one is Overseas Shipholding Group. This company operates freighters and tankers overseas. It's a play on the increase in international trade. Plus, they've got strong cash flow, good valuation, and they're putting those to good use. Next one is Paychex. Paychex is a business outsourcing firm. They handle a lot of the paychecks for a lot of companies around the world. And this is really an execution play. They've done a good job. They've got good earnings quality, good cash flow, and they're leveraging this large paycheck business to branch into full-on human resources outsourcing, and that's where we're going to be getting their growth going forward.
Final two, real quick.
Sure, Tidewater. These guys are a service company for oil drillers. Low valuation, should be a good beneficiary if energy keeps going, and yet better protected if energy stocks suffer. And finally, JP Morgan, a large bank, more levered to the capital markets business. It's a good environment for capital market. They had a great fourth quarter. We think it'll continue.
All right, thank you. Derek, let me just ask you, one of the interesting ones, Overseas Shipholding Group. Freighters, tankers, that tells me oil, commodities, world growth, China, India. Real quick, is that part of your take? Good world growth, good commodity action.
Exactly. It's a fairly broadly diversified types of cargoes. It's not just oil and commodities, but also just all sorts of trade goods that could be coming from emerging parts of the world.
You bullish on the U.S. stock market, Derek?
Cautiously. We've had a good run here. I think the better opportunities right now are probably overseas.
Derek Iswell, thank you ever so much. Congratulations on your wonderful return in your last trip. We all appreciate it. Coming up on Kudlow Company, Rudy is running for the White House. And here's the big question. Is the former New York mayor a conservative or not? And by the way, coming up on